Today we discuss derivative of product of two functions. Let y is equal to uv, where u and v are functions of x. Here y is the product of two functions u and v, where u and v are functions of x. Let delta u, delta v, delta y are the respective changes of u, v, w whenever the change of x is delta x. That is, if x changes to delta x, that is x changes to x plus delta x, u changes to u plus delta u, and v changes to v plus delta v. Also, y changes to y plus delta y. Here y plus delta y is equal to uv. So y plus delta y is equal to u plus delta u into v plus delta v. Multiplying, we get uv plus u delta v, delta u v, delta u plus delta v. So delta y is equal to this term minus y. What is y? Y is uv. Y is equal to uv. Okay, cancelling u and minus uv, we get delta y. Delta y is equal to, it is delta y. Delta y is equal to u delta v, delta u v plus delta u into delta v. Dividing this equation by delta x, we get delta y by delta x equals u into delta v by delta x plus v into delta u by delta x plus delta u into delta v by delta x. Then taking delta x tends to 0. When delta x tends to 0, delta u tends to 0, delta v tends to 0, and delta y also tends to 0. So, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x equals limit delta x tends to 0, u into delta v by delta x plus limit delta x tends to 0, v into delta u v by delta u by delta x plus limit delta x tends to 0, delta u by delta u into delta v divided by delta x. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. This small change in y with respect to change in x, that is the derivative of y. Derivative of y is d by dx of uv. That is equal to, that is limit delta x tends to 0, delta v by delta x, that is dv by dx. Here limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x, that is delta u by delta x, that is du by dx. Here delta x tends to 0, delta u also tends to 0, so the third term becomes 0. So derivative of product of two functions. Here u is the first function and v is the second function. So derivative of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. First into derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. That is, the derivative of product of two functions is determined by the equation first into derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. Now we discuss a problem that will be solved by using product rule. Find the derivative of x square sin x. Here x square sin x is product of two functions. First function is x square and the second function is sin x. That is y is equal to x square sin x. In the equation dy by dx, first into derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. Here the first function u is x square and the second function v is sin x. So find the derivative of u. U is equal to x square. What is the derivative of x square? It is 2x. and v is equal to sin x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. So dy by dx is equal to u into u is x square into dv by dx. What is dv by dx? It is cos x. Plus v into v is sin x into du by dx. Du by dx is 2x. So sin x into 2x. So d by dx of x square sin x is equal to x square cos x plus 2x sin x. So derivative of x square sin x is x square cos x plus 2x sin x. Next problem, find the derivative of x cube into log x whole square. Here the functions are x cube and log x whole square. We know that the derivative of x cube is 3x square. But it is not easy to find the derivative of log x whole square. We know the derivative of log x, that is 1 by x. So v is equal to log x whole square. V is equal to log x whole square, where put t is equal to log x. Then v is equal to t square. We know the derivative of t square. So derivative with respect to x, dv by dx. dv by dt is 2 into t, but dv by dx is 2 into t into dt by dx. With respect to x, we differentiate t, that is dt by dx. With respect to x, we differentiate, it is dx by dx. So we not write dx by dx, but here v is equal to t square and dv by dx is equal to 2t into dt by dx. Also we know that dt by dx, where t is equal to log x, so dt by dx is 1 by x. Therefore dv by dx is equal to 2 log x into 1 by x. Substituting these values in the equation, dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So dv by dx is equal to x cube into 2 log x by x plus log x whole square into 3x square. That is equal to 2x square log x plus 3x square log x whole square. In both the terms, x square is common. So taking it outside, x square into 2 log x plus 3 log x square. Next, quotient rule. Quotient rule helps us to find the derivative of a function divided by another function. Here d by dx of u by v, where u and v are functions of x. Then by the equation, d by dx of u by v is equal to denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator into derivative of the denominator divided by denominator square. Here differentiate y is equal to x by 1 plus x, function divided by another function. Using quotient rule, denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator into derivative of the denominator divided by denominator square. 1 plus x into derivative of x. What is derivative of x? It is 1. So 1 plus x into 1 minus x into derivative of 1 plus x. Derivative of 1 plus x is d by dx of 1 plus x. That is equal to d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of x. What is d by dx of 1? Derivative of a constant is 0. What is derivative of x? That is 1. So derivative of 1 plus x is also 1. So 1 plus x minus x into 1 divided by 1 plus x square. X cancels, so we get 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of x by 1 plus x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Next problem, y is equal to e raised to x divided by 1 plus x square. Find derivative of y with respect to x. dy by dx is denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator into derivative of the denominator divided by denominator square. 1 plus x square into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x minus e raised to x into derivative of 1 plus x square, that is derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of x square, that is 2x. So e raised to x into 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole square. Multiplying e raised to x plus x square e raised to x minus 2x e raised to x. Taking e raised to x outside, so e raised to x into x square plus minus 2x plus 1, that is divided by 1 plus x square whole square, that is equal to e raised to x into, this is 1 minus x whole square, so e raised to x into 1 minus x whole square divided by 1 plus x square whole square is the derivative of e raised to x divided by 1 plus x square.